Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we are back in Las Vegas. We've been spending the past several weeks or even a couple of months checking out places off the Las Vegas Strip, places that locals go to, and places downtown. We're in the middle of a downtown series here. Earlier this week we did Binions and Four Queens. Today we're going to do two more downtown hotels and casinos. They include the Downtown Grand and the Fremont Hotel and Casino. Just like the last video from downtown, these places are small, so I'm combining two into one video. That being said, don't fear, the Strip, which has been kind of ignored in the past couple of weeks, will be making a strong comeback in the next week or two here on the New York channel, so stay tuned for more stuff coming from the Strip. In any event, let's check out Downtown Grand and the Fremont Hotel and Casino, shall we? First up, the Fremont Hotel and Casino, which apparently is going through lots of changes right now. The Fremont is owned and operated by Boyd Gaming Corporation. It opened way back in 1956 as the tallest building in the state of Nevada. In 1963, the hotel was expanded to include the 14-story Ogden Tower and opened one of the city's first vertical parking garages. The casino is located on what is commonly referred to as the Four Corners. These are the four main hotels that are located on the corner of Casino Center Boulevard and Fremont Street. The four casinos making up the Four Corners are the Fremont, the Four Queens, the Golden Nugget, and Binion's Gambling Hall and Hotel. This is a brand new food court here at the Fremont.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And here we have the Downtown Grand, which is formerly known as Lady Luck. It's owned by CMI Group and operated by 5th Street Gaming. The Downtown Grand Hotel currently has 3 towers for a total of 1,124 rooms. The Downtown Grand is actually located 1 block north of the Fremont Street Experience. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, hit that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.